Welcome back, everyone. A popular downtown Albuquerque restaurant is bringing a blizzard of blessings to our community this holiday season. You can be part of it. I spoke with Tanya Sanchez, the owner and chef of Brixens, to find out how. Joining us this morning, we have Chef Tanya Sanchez with Brixens, a popular downtown restaurant. Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you so much for joining us this morning. I'm super excited about this interview because we're not only highlighting your restaurant and all that you're doing, but you're doing something for the community as well this go around. For our viewers at home who've not heard about Brixens, tell us a little bit about your restaurant.
So we've been open for 3.5 years now, and we do everything from scratch. We specialize in focusing on not only making delicious food, but also letting people modify it to accommodate any dietary needs. So we can do vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free, and we take the utmost care to make sure that people can enjoy their meal safely as well. So everything from scratch, everything delicious, and everything can be modified.
Are you guys still doing curbside service?
We are. So we're obviously closed for dine-in service, but we're doing delivery and curbside all through our website. We're not partnered with any of the other third-party delivery systems, but we can definitely do delivery through our website itself.
Awesome. You're giving us another venue for some good food here in New Mexico.
We're trying.
So in addition to that, to you guys being a thriving restaurant for 3 years, you mentioned, you guys are also doing a lot for the community. Tell us about the Blizzard of Blessings.
So this year, we really wanted to focus on a way to give back to the community. 2020 has been just such a hard year for everybody. And we figured we could either focus on what a rough year it's been, or we could find ways to bring joy this holiday season. So as a team, we decided to focus on joy. So we partnered with PB&J Family Services. They are sponsoring 203 families this year that are in need of everything, support, basically just the community to gather around them so that they can provide a good holiday for their families. So we wanted to be a part of all the good that PB&J Family Services is doing. So our goal is to basically give all those 203 families a gift certificate this year that they can use to enjoy a meal on us and, just provide a little bit of fun holiday memories to do that. So yeah, that's our Blizzard of Blessings. And then we thought, it's been a hard year for everybody, so we wanted to give back to our guests as well. So we're giving, for everybody that participates, we're giving $10 back to our guests and donating $10 in their name to PB&J Family Services.
Wow, that's great. Okay, so break it all down for us. How does it work?
So it works by people go to our website and they click on the Order Now button, which takes them to our online ordering portal where they can either order for takeout, our new curbside drive-in experience, or delivery. They have to order our signature item, which is our build your own sandwich or burger. And once they do that, that's all they have to do. They take a picture of it, enjoy it, and post on their social media the picture that they took and their honest review of their Brixens experience. It's helping us get the word out about what we're doing and the food that we serve. And at the same time, we're going to give them a $10 gift certificate just for participating. And like I said, donating $10 back to PB&J Family Services as a gift certificate to help out all the families.
It just seems like a win-win for everyone, doesn't it?
We're trying. That's what we tried to do.
For our viewers at home who, again, want more details about all that you're doing for the Blizzard of Blessings, or they want to order today, give us your website.
So our website is www.brixens.com. Like I said, there's information directly on there that relates to all of this. It gives all the little details that need to be accommodated to participate in the Blizzard of Blessings. And it also gives access to our complete menu, which you can modify to make it exactly the way you want it. But to reach what we're calling our goal of goodness, we need 1,695 people to participate to reach our goal of giving back almost $34,000 to the community. So it's a huge goal, but one that we're hopeful that we can, do some good this holiday season. And like I said, just really focus on something positive and what's been just a tough year all the way around.
I have a feeling there's going to be a lot of people helping you reach that goal.
Oh, thank you.
Chef Tanya Sanchez, I want to thank you so much for joining us this morning.
I just appreciate the opportunity. Thank you so much. It's ways like this that we can all come together and do something good for the community. So we're hopeful that people will stand behind us and help us reach the goal.
Absolutely.